Hi everyone, it's Chef Simone Bridges, owner of Goddess Food Factory, and today I will be teaching you all how to cut the top of your cake so you can stack your cakes. So first you will take your turning table and place your cake on top of it. Then you're going to take your cake cutting tool, and then you're going to take the palm of your hand and put it on top of your cake, just like that. Make sure it's nice and firm so it doesn't shake or move too much. And then you're going to take this knife and you're going to saw it in just a little bit, and then you're going to turn it and turn it and turn it and turn it, turn it and turn it and turn it and turn it, turn it and turn it and turn it and turn it. And you just want to use these sawing methods. You don't want to move up or down because you want it to be a nice clean slate, and you're just going to go in a little bit more as you're sawing and just keep going across just like so until you reach the other half. And you're just going to take the top off, and you're going to get a nice simple bowl just like this to put the top of your cake in there so that you can use it for cake pops or cake crumble or anything that you're making. Just nice and simple, and boom, you'll have you a nice clean slate at the top, and you can use this to stack your cakes. I hope you all enjoyed watching this video. Make sure you tune in to the next episode of Baking with Simone, and follow me on my YouTube channel, Goddess Food Factory. Bye!